It sounds worse. The exhaust fan to your left. That thing sounds like it's about to die. It is what it is until we get a new one. I'm out the fan man and out.